Hello friends, in this video we will learn about sea animals. Isn't it exciting? So let's just start it. Do you know that our earth contains 70% of water? Wow, it's a huge amount. So what is inside that water? So many kind of fishes, whales, dolphins, and much more. So let's just learn about it. Octopus. Octopus. This is an octopus. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. This is a sea urchin. Fish. Fish. This is a fish. Blue whale. Blue whale. This is a blue whale. Shark. Shark. This is a shark. Manta ray. Manta ray. This is a manta ray. Shrimp. Shrimp. This is a shrimp. Stingray. Stingray. This is a stingray. Octopus. Octopus. This is an octopus. Lobster. Lobster. This is a lobster. Seahorse. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. This is a hammerhead shark. Catfish. Catfish. This is a catfish. Clam. Clam. This is a clam. Swordfish. Swordfish. This is a swordfish. Shark. Shark. This is a shark. Angelfish. Angelfish. This is a angelfish. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. This is a butterfly fish. Clownfish. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. Tiger shark. Tiger shark. This is a tiger shark. Dolphin. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel.